Hey guys, this is Seth at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. Okay guys, this is the John Deere 667A commercial zero-turn stander. We're going to walk around now and inspect the major components. The deck on this machine is in nice mechanical shape, and it recently was sanded down and repainted. It is a 7-iron commercial John Deere deck. The spindle bearings are tight, the belts are in decent shape, and it has mostly new deck wheels installed. This machine has a Kawasaki 23 horsepower heavy-duty engine with a heavy-duty air filtration system on it. It starts up and runs and operates well. As far as the engine goes, we think there may be an issue with the starter, because when you try to start it, it clicks sometimes like that. So that may need to be repaired. Fuel tanks. It's your battery. Rear of the machine is your console with the key switch, blade engagement, throttle and choke. And these are your control levers. The machine has 2,298.3 hours on it. So the machine starts up and runs good. The rear tires on it are approximately 30% life left. And the front tires are approximately 30 to 40% life left as well. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks for viewing our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. We can ship these machines pretty much anywhere, so if you want a shipping rate, feel free to contact us. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.